Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a KWANZAA depowder nail design on my natural nails. So let's get right into the video. So these are my short natural nails and I'm just applying my own peel off base coat. This will allow for easier removal of my manicure, but if you want your nails to last longer you should skip this step and I wait for it to dry fully. On my index finger, I'm using Betsy depowder from Revel nail. I actually built up the nail with the red depowder. I did not encapsulate with clear. I believe I did about 4 layers of that. On my pinky nail, I'm using Azure Beauty green depowder. I did about 4 layers of that as well. So this design was inspired by KWANZAA, which is celebrated from the 26th of December to the 1st of January. If you want a little more information, I did a KWANZAA nail design a few days ago and I spoke a little bit more about it as well. So I'll link to that video in the cards. On my middle finger, I'm using Revel Nail Barbara and I also did about 4 layers of that. Now on the ring finger, I placed 2 layers of the clear dip powder because of the fact that I'm going to be doing color block with tape, and if I were to apply the tape on my nail just like that, it would remove my peel off base coat. So I applied my tape off camera. And now I applied base to the middle section and then poured my black dip powder on my nail. I did 2 layers of that and then removed the tape immediately. If you can do 3 layers as fast as you can, do it. My base coat was drying, so I had to remove the tape before it stuck on the nail. The reason I'm doing this color block with tape is because black is a difficult color to color block with, and it will bleed on the red and green dip powder, so this is the reason I'm doing it with tape instead of free-handed color block. So then I applied my activator to my nail and then I gently filed the nail to get a neater line. The line was not that messy or anything, but it needed a little bit of straightening. I'm a little OCD to be honest, because it wasn't that bad. Okay, so I thought I was filming when I did the green area, but I wasn't, so my bad. On the red area, I'm using a pick to get into those areas because the base brush wouldn't be able to get into it. And then I dipped into the red dip powder. I did about 3 layers of that. I used the base brush here and there, but I also used the pick as well to get into those areas. Then I encapsulated the nail with 2 layers because it needed to be built up a little. The black area was flat and the red and green was a little higher than it was. So I had to encapsulate the nail to get some height, and then I would file down so that the nail would be even. I really didn't want to encapsulate the black area because it left a little bit of bubbles on the nail. It's not that noticeable, but I see everything, so you know. Then I applied activator to the nails, waited for it to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying my Mother One's gel top coat to my nails, and I cured for 30 seconds. I almost forgot about my sugar nail, so I applied some Mother One's gel top coat and used my black sugar glitter, and I applied it to the nail and cured for 30 seconds. So when the nails cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys, and happy Kwanzaa!